Welcome to Crow's Corner. I'm Jenny. In this episode, I'll be putting together and reviewing a sticker therapy puzzle. I guess you call it a puzzle. It's sort of a craft, but it does take a little bit of thought. Sometimes when life gets really, really busy, I don't feel like making up something on my own. I like something that is already kind of spelled out for me, but keeps my brain busy and is a little bit creative as well. In addition to video games, there's also puzzles, things like that, that sort of fill this niche. This is a very unique sort of puzzle craft. It's something that I saw online. It's kind of everywhere being advertised, and I thought, hey, I want to give this a try. So here I am today, and I thought I would share it with you. I hope you enjoy this. I'm not going to be talking throughout the whole video. I'm just going to kind of sum up my thoughts right now and then let you enjoy the video. This is not at all a sponsored video. It's just something that I saw and wanted to try. I fully expected to be a little bit frustrated by this because there is a certain order or layer that you have to place the stickers, but I wasn't. I kind of enjoyed that puzzle aspect of it, and everything about it was calming. Even when I made mistakes, I found that it was pretty easy to peel up the stickers and redo something, and you'll see that happen several times throughout the video, and it really wasn't a problem at all to just peel them back and start again. I thought the sticker was a really high quality plastic. I don't know if it's vinyl, but it was very, very well made and nothing ripped. The individual stickers themselves were really cute. It was fun to search for the pieces I needed, and overall, it came together really, really well. The project itself took, I don't know, maybe 3 hours total. I didn't do it all in one sitting, although I could have, I guess. It was a little bit smaller than I expected, but not by much. But overall, I thought it was a really enjoyable, relaxing project. I would highly recommend it. If you have any questions, write them down in the comment below, and I'd be happy to answer those. If you are new to my channel, this isn't my usual stuff that I do. I do a lot of miniatures. I've got some other little crafty projects on the way, but I thought this was a fun little break. And make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're interested in seeing what I come up with and what I get up to. And you can hit the like button if you enjoy this kind of content, and I'll put some more of it into my channel. And without further ado, sit back, relax, let your mind just sort of veg out, and enjoy.